Hi guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. Today we're out with the Gen 2 Cayman, and we've also got one of those Mavic 2 Airs which do the follow me function and videos you and records you while driving along. So we're probably going to crash one of those today. Let's hope it's not the Cayman.
Hi, my name is Pam and this is my Porsche, and this is our beautiful anniversary milestone gift to ourselves because we have our wedding anniversary coming soon. And just to touch base about the car, this beautiful beast that I have here, it's a 2011 Cayman 987 2.9 liter and flat 6. It had a previous owner, the first owner, and we are the second owner now. And the main worth mentioning about this car is that it's induction noise when you accelerate and the beautiful rear end shape. I just love this car.
Well, happy anniversary.
Thank you.
What a gift.
Thank you.
Okay, so anniversary gift. So you must be wife of the not only year but 25 years.
Yes.
25 years. And I have not been married for that long, so I'm probably setting my wife some expectations about what she's going to get for her anniversary gift. So lovely car inside. So you've added some extra trim with the red.
Yes.
And I'm assuming that you know, my wife is boss of the house, so you get the keys to this car fairly often as well, to drive it as well. I hope.
I do, but I always, look out the weather first, because when I go out in the car, I need to be properly dressed up as well. and the best part is the name Porsche Cayman, the initial PC. It has the same initial as my name, Pam Jack.
Okay.
So I'm very proud of the car as well as myself.
It's a beautiful car.
Yeah.
Looks like it's got the chrono pack.
Yes.
Is that what that is
Super
up there?
Sports chrono pack, yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
And is that the standard radio in there, or is that did you get a little bit of an upgrade on that?
I think we did an upgrade on that, and we also got a reversing camera.
Yeah.
It helps me because I'm pretty short, so the camera helps me.
I did not. Yep, coming to think about that, that does look like that might be a bit of a problem. Here we are. We're in the back of the Cayman. This is a 2.9, so a second generation, and it's had a very cool modification where the engine lid cover has been taken off, and then it's had a clear perspex cover. The header covers there have been painted red with the white insert on the Porsche, and that looks absolutely killer. Love that.
So it's a very special 987, and I look ahead of years of driving and having fun with this joy.
We're going to get some footage of it in a moment with the drone, hopefully, and a few bits driving around, but this is a lovely car, and that on the rear, the engine cover,
yes.
I've made a mental note of that because that is definitely going to be added to something. We're out with the Cayman, and as you can hear in the background, we have the drone. Nearly fell over there. So we're going to try this follow me function with the Cayman first, and we'll have a bit of a play with that, and then we'll probably try it with the 356. But let's see how this goes with the old drone. Okay, we haven't used the drone before, but it's self-finding its way home as we've ran out of battery, but we've taken a few shots, so that's pretty good, and we've got a couple of spare batteries as well, so let's progress. So we're trying to set up a shot here. We've got the drone, the Cayman's going to come around the corner. I'm hoping the Cayman will fit under the drone, and we will see how that goes. Everything's set up. I'm not sure how this is going to go. Let's hope a truck doesn't come around the corner and wipe out the drone. We have had a few crashes today, so we've hit it in the trees a couple of times. So the drone's going really well today. So we're going to have a bit more of a play with it. The trees either side are a bit of a problem if we want to do the parallel, because we've hit the trees a couple of times. Remarkably, it hits a tree, sometimes falls out and actually still hovers, and other times it hits the ground but doesn't break. So the thing's really sturdy. We're going to get out on the road. We're going to wait for some traffic. As you can see, there's a bit of traffic. We'll get the drone set up and we'll give it another go, but this is kind of fun down here. Like we said, the 356 has been great. Obviously we had the drums fixed yesterday, got the car back. She's running very, very cool, so she's had a fantastic day out. The drone has been absolutely kind of amazing to use, so we'll find some other places and probably some places to get the 356 recorded as well. So we've had an absolute blast with the Cayman. They are a little magic little car. 356s here, but we've really enjoyed the Cayman today. I think underrated, undervalued, and I think we're going to see the prices of these rocket up. We've played with the drone as well. We crashed it a few times in the trees over there. We've had a bit of a play with it, so I hope you enjoy the footage that we got from that. But this car's a gem, so thanks to Pam and Joe, wishing them their amazing anniversary. 25 years is one hell of an achievement, so thank you very much for the day today. There are a few flies out here, which I guess is typical bloody Australia. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like we said, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you sometime soon with some more content, as I'm trying not to eat flies. See you later, guys. See you soon.